Juvia here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a soft fall glam look. I literally just got off a flight and I was about to go to bed, but I was like, okay, my hair looks halfway decent still. And I have a blank canvas, no makeup on, so why not just get on camera and film something real quick for you guys. So let's just hop right into it. This is going to be a super simple look. No lashes, a couple of eyeshadows, maybe foundation, maybe not. We'll see how I feel. Honestly, I haven't worn foundation like all summer, so I don't even know what my shade is right now. So that's going to be a little bit of trial and error. Anyway, stay tuned. Whew. I just got back from Phoenix, Arizona for work. And when I tell you, it is dry. Like, I haven't been able to rehydrate since. Oh my goodness. Whew. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my brows. I'm using the usual Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and then I'm using this Anastasia brush. I don't know what number this is, but it's a different one that I normally use. I lost my old one. I don't know how I feel about this one, so I might be getting a different, oh, number 12. This is number 12. I don't know how I feel about number 12. I think I normally use number 18. But this is just gonna be like a chill, like soft look that is still like fall, but maybe you wear this to like work, or if you're like going to like a quick like date night or something and you don't want to look like too over the top. You just want to look like I woke up like this with a little bit of extra oomph. That's what I guess I'm trying to achieve. I don't know. I'm just talking. Whatever. Y'all, and why, since I was like, oh, it's like a fall look, let me throw on this sweater. It's like 80 degrees outside. I'm really just faking the funk for the video. So, does my sweater make me look fall? I hopped right into this routine so fast, like I didn't even put nothing on my face. No primer, no lotion, no nothing. Not to mention the fact that normally if I'm gonna put on foundation, I like to do my brows after foundation. So I'm like, what am I doing? All right, brows real quick. Like I said, I really do not know my foundation color, so we're just gonna see. Because I actually like went outside this summer. Crazy, because I never go outside ever. So we're gonna see if this Maybelline Fit Me foundation matches. This is in the 335 Classic Tan. I think it will. We'll see. Next, the concealer I've been rocking for a while now is the Born This Way concealer. Too Faced, right? This is by Too Faced, right? Yeah, Too Faced in the color Warm Sand. I'm just gonna blend this out. That's done. I also put it all over my eyelids too to act as a base. To set, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup powder. This is in the light version. and I don't really bake. I usually just like pounce the powder into my skin. So next I'm going to take this California Beaming, this is bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my forehead and along my cheekbones. I'm going to be using this 303 brush from Real Techniques. It's really cute. It's like a unicorn brush. I think I'm going to use two palettes today. I'm going to use this Kylie Cosmetics palette because I haven't used it before. And it's called the Sort of Sweet palette. And it looks like this. And it has like a lot of nice like cool bally type colors in there. And then I'm going to be using the Saharan Blush palette from Juvia's Place, and this palette is a blush palette, but I'm going to be using some of the colors as eyeshadow, probably these two. So I'm going to go into this color Rosé. Take my blending brush. There's a lot of fallout, jeez, and I'm just going to swipe that into the crease. Alright, got that on. It really doesn't make that big of a difference. I'm using this mainly as like my transition shade. The shade that I'm going to be using the most is in this blush palette. I'm going to get a flat brush and I'm going to use this Neo blush, this like reddish burgundy color. Now I'm going to go back into the Kylie palette and I'm going to go into the shade Cocoa with this fluffy brush. And then I'm just going to apply it right on the outer V just to deepen it up just a little bit. Okay, so got that deepened up just a little bit. The transition shade, I'm not really feeling all that much right at the moment. So I'm going to go into my trusty dusty MAC saddle and just blend with this really large fluffy brush. The last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take like a smaller flat brush and I'm going to go back into this blush palette and I'm going to use the color Zara, this like gold color. And I'm going to put this on the inner corner. I'm going with another flat brush and I'm going to go into this this color right here, this glaze color, and on the inner part of the shadow I just want to use that just to brighten it up a tiny bit to create kind of like a gradient effect. Alright, that's that for the eyes. This is going to be a no lashes look, so still keeping it pretty simple. I'm just going to take some eyeliner. This is the liquid liner from e.l.f. Y'all, why did I look up? My camera was not recording and I about flipped out because I'm already super tired because I've been flying all day, and I was like, it was already a stretch trying to do this video and I literally was about to go off and scream. Looks like the majority of what I was talking about was saved. I don't really know where exactly I was in terms of when it stopped recording, but looks like I got most of the eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna keep going. This is the False Lash False lash maximizer from MAC. Because I'm not wearing lashes, this will help make my lashes, oh, just give them a little boost. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Big Shot mascara. I really didn't want to put on lashes because I'm giving my lashes a break from all the lash extensions this summer. And I could do strip lash, but because I have had lash extensions most of the summer, the ones that I have left are not my favorites. Ooh, lashes on fleek dee. For blush today, I'm using this Kylie pressed blush powder in X-rated. I have barely used this blush, barely even seen it, so I was like, why not bust it out? It looks pretty. For the highlights, using Breezy. I'm gonna top it off with the Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. I love this highlighter, but it like broke all over the place, so don't take it out this much. Lips, I'm gonna be using one of my favorite lipsticks. I'm lining my lips with this NYX pencil and brown. I love how that looks. Oh, who's that girl? Alexandria, who's that girl? Alexandria. Highlight is Poppington. Ooh, yes. Okay. Let me stop so I can go to bed. I'm tired. When I get tired, I start getting sleepy. When I get tired, I start getting silly. I'm using Touch by MAC. This is like one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. Because it goes with everything. And it's so just like nice, and it's just a luster. It's just like the perfect neutral. All right, this is the finished look of my fall soft glam look. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, you know, all that good stuff. Let me get on off of here and go to bed. Thanks guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.